In this video, learn how to use a workflow in Protégé to draft a clause for an agreement using trusted legal intelligence securely powered by Lexis Plus. Let's say you are negotiating a joint venture in New York. The business terms are taking shape, but before sharing proprietary financial data and trade secrets, you need a strong, enforceable NDA clause tailored to the transaction. You want language that reflects New York standards, aligns with market practice, and saves drafting time. Access Protégé and view transactional workflows. Click Draft a Clause. Upload documents related to the agreement or skip this step to enter the terms manually. You will be prompted to enter the purpose and context of the clause, the jurisdiction, and any key terms or specific language you would like to include. Enter your desired outcome. Mutual NDA clause for a joint venture in New York. Protégé will apply the jurisdiction, detect the intent, then draft a structured NDA provision with a list of optional additions, questions to ask next, and a list of the sources that were used in generating the draft. Open the clause to polish and refine the draft. In draft mode, you can make edits to the text, highlight information to use redrafting tools that will simplify, condense, expand, or redraft the text entirely. Use the suggested actions, such as specifying the consequences more explicitly, or enter additional prompts, and Protégé iterates instantly, allowing you to compare and refine without starting from scratch. Once you have finished with the revisions, copy and download the draft. This workflow saves time, reduces drafting friction, and keeps you aligned with trusted legal standards. With Protégé, you're not just generating text, you're drafting smarter. You maintain control of the draft, while Lexis Plus accelerates the process with private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.